Hey guys, on today's video we're gonna update Fortnite. So let's just tap on Fortnite and it shouldn't let you log in. It should kick you out and just do an update on it. That's how to refresh really the Fortnite update. So here we go, Fortnite needs an update. Perfect. So update. And finally. So it is a little bit less than 3 gigs. For most of you, this will only take about 15 minutes. We're looking exactly at 2.66 gigs. So again, just 5 to 10 minutes. For those of you who have slower internet, sure, this could take a lot longer. However, if you're having problems with this update, it's just going way too slow or something like that, just hook up your Xbox to your router using Ethernet cable. So do that direct connection and your internet should be a lot faster. If for any reason this gets stuck at any point, it's just not moving, or even when the update's done and your Fortnite just gets stuck as well, just restart your console and you're done. If you're still having problems, more and more problems, you can turn off and on automatic updates on your Xbox, and that's how to fix the problem. So that's another way to fix it. And the last fix will be to uninstall Fortnite. So you guys can delete Fortnite and then just re-download it. Remember that all your skins, all that stuff is backed up on your account. So that's why if I go into my PlayStation or my Nintendo Switch, I'm gonna see the exact same skins that I have on my Xbox. And that's because it's all in my account. It's not on the console itself. So that's why we can just delete the app. And that's why, let's say if you guys buy a new Xbox, you can log back into it and you're gonna see your skins there as well. So again, it's all backed up on your account. So that's why we can delete Fortnite if we have to. That's only in extreme situations where it's really stuck, it's not doing what it's supposed to do, such as maybe updating or it's stuck on a certain screen. That will fix the problem. That's the last resort. Usually just restarting your console, just turn it off and on back again, will make things refresh and do what they're supposed to do. Anyways, right now we're just gonna wait for this to launch and then we can get back into Fortnite. Once Fortnite is finally done, we can just click on it and get started with playing Fortnite. Everything should be as normal, everything should load just fine. It will take a couple minutes just because everything's refreshing. So as long as you're not getting stuck or anything like I mentioned from before, you should be good to go. However, if you are, just restart your Xbox. So in order to do that, we can just press down on our Xbox controller, right in the middle, and then just restart console. That's just in case it gets stuck. But for now, we're all good. It is syncing up. Everything's happening like it should. So we should see this screen right now. This is connecting. Just have to wait for it. And finally, we should see the screen. Fortnite, press start. There we go. So we're just gonna press A. And we're just gonna log in. Now a lot of people get stuck in this part, actually, the login screen. Usually when you get stuck in the login screen, it's not even Fortnite. It's usually your internet connection. So just make sure your internet's working fine. If it's not, try that cable that I told you about, the Ethernet cable. Hook up your Xbox directly to your router using Ethernet cable. That should fix the problem. Other than that, again, just restarting your Xbox does the trick usually. Right now we're gonna go into Battle Royale. Connecting screen once again. And here we go. Here's our lobby. And we're ready to play Fortnite. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.